Hello guys, so how you guys doing today? Today is the third day of building my confidence at code 10x, and today we'll be going through the assignment they gave me today in class: HTML tags and attributes. So we're told to list 30 HTML tags and their attributes. So I listed the head tags, paragraph tags, the anchor tag, div tag, which is also known as containers, span tag, the URL tags, and so on and so forth. And I went down to attributes and their meaning. So we listed 20 attributes. I listed href, src, alt, id, style, title, and so on. So we'll be going down to semantic and non-semantic HTML. So today I'll be explaining what semantic HTML is. Semantic HTML is the use of specific HTML tags to describe the meaning of the content they contain rather than what the user sees. So we're going to what non-semantic means. Non-semantic tells nothing about the content, but it only acts as a generic container. So in the semantic tags, an example, we have the header, the footer, the article section, nav. These tags describe what the content is to the user. So non-semantic HTML, there are tags that doesn't describe meaning, like div, span. They are just containers. So we're going to block versus inline elements. So what is block elements? Block elements take full width and they stretch all the way across the screen from the left to the right, even if the content inside is small. Start on a new line. Each one begins on its own line. So the next element goes below it, not beside it. Examples: the div, that's the container, the paragraph tag, the head tag, section, and article. While inline elements, they stay on the same line. They sit next to each other, not on a separate line, and they only take needed space. They only use as much space as their content needs. So example: span, then the bold tag, the italian, then the image tag. So we're going down to input tags with different attributes. Input tags with different attributes. Input tags are used to collect information from users, like typing your name, email, and etc. So different attributes just mean you can change how the input behaves or what it accepts. Example: type, text, password, emails only accept email format. Placeholders enters name, shows a hint inside the box. Required must be filled before submitting. So basically we have the input tags, the attributes, rules of settings for that box. Then input type, text, placeholder, enter name, and this example, we have all these examples. Then we have the result. I'll run the code now, then you see what I was able to work on. So this is what all I did today. This is all I did today. So we going out to the code. So this is the result of the code, small code you ran. So we can just use the name, virtue, then you put your information here, code 10x, then password, and submit. So your information will be saved. So we're able to accomplish this today and learn some few HTML and tags and the meaning of symmetric and non-symmetric and block and inline elements. Thank you.